Cool if I hop in?
Yeah, go for it, man.
Sweet. Cheers, man. Have a good one.
You too, have fun.
Thank you. Ooh. That's a little different. Oh, okay. Definitely is a little slimy. Oh. All right. So the trail is definitely deceivingly wet. It looks dry, but it is not. So, you know, be careful with that. Keep my head up, look ahead, and kind of check out for the wet spots. Yeah, like that. That's still wet. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's just a little slimier in here than I'd like it to be, but it's all good. Keep it moving. Just gotta go slow and careful. I wanted to do that bigger gap up above, but that corner before it was pretty slippery, and you really have to lock in to that corner if you want to have any chance of clearing that or that one. But kind of just cruising right here, talking with you guys. So yeah, nice. Oh wow, the temperature right now is perfect. So nice. And this is probably only my 5th or 6th time biking this season, so I definitely want to be careful. As I'm saying, I need to be careful. I just endo into a corner, but it's all good. I'm just kind of chill here. My feet are kind of bothering me a little bit. They're definitely going to be sore, but it's all good. Whoa. That one's always wild. Skirt. Now I did see something. Oh my gosh. That corner was so slippery. It's a little sketchy. All right, we're gonna take a breather. Breathe real quick. Maybe turn this up a little bit. Just because I feel like I'm not getting that high speed rebound that I really want. See what this does. Being on, I don't think it changed at all. Let's go ride the trail and talk about the current state of the United States of America. Just kidding. We're not gonna do that. Oh wow, this trail is so nice right now. Like holy crap, this is awesome. not the right gear. I don't know how my feet are so sore, but they are. Ooh. Yeah, these corners are slimy. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but pretty wet. I mean, it's good, but it's just wet. Definitely probably hitting this trail at like a 70% pace right now. Just trying to not cramp up. There was some fun line here last year. Yeah, that I didn't have enough lead for. Oh, holy cow. Oh, I'm soaked. That was awesome. Oh, that was really fun. Very enjoyable. Oh. What was that? Whoa. Okay. Those two new lips are new. Or those two lips are new. Holy cow. I was thinking there was a corner, but I saw the lip and went for it. Holy cow. Doop doop. Doop doop doop. Oh, I want to hit that one day. Oh my God. Oops. Whoa. Ah! Okay. Kind of forgot the speed where the landings are for some of those. How I didn't just go off the trail there, I don't know. Oh, I guess they didn't trim this. Oh my gosh. This is grabbing my bars super bad. Oh my goodness. All right, and there you have it, guys. There's one lap with Noah Townsend going down Spring Roll, Sprangus. Thank you. Gotta love it when people don't hear you as you're shouting to your camera on your phone.